Hi, this is Wasim, and I'm here to present a demo on ClickView. And in today's session, I'll be going through the ClickView as a product in BI and uh, the training that will be going to conduct after this demo. So my emphasis will be more on explaining what is BI and how ClickView emerges as one of the top BI product and implementers worldwide, and how company has achieved their goal by implementing BI to ClickView. Okay, so uh, I have done my ClickView certification in developers and system administration, and my expertise lies in various domains like implementing BI in pharmaceutical companies and manufacturing domain as well, education systems. So my understanding of ClickView is uh, such that uh, ClickView as a tool really helps people to understand and implement things based on their need. Okay, so okay, ClickView, it's one of the most you can say wonderful tool. I can say it's a beautiful tool that it is currently present, and uh, users are loving it. I mean, you can see that there are thousands of customers all over the world, and currently this numbers what you see in front of me, 30,000 plus customers in 100 countries, and including various domains like insurance domain, financial services domain, pharmaceutical domain. Everyone is going for ClickView. There are names I can take: NHS Trust, we have Volvo, we have Vodafone. These are all worldwide customers. If I talk about India, in India we have Abbott. Abbott has implemented globally. Then we have Mahindra and Mahindra. Then we have Tata Communications. We have a lot of other companies who really implemented. So these are some big players who actually implemented ClickView, and also the mid-sized companies, they're also loving this tool. So, and why they're loving it, there are n number of reasons which I'm going to cover in my future slides. So ClickView ranked third in Forbes list of the most technically advanced companies. When you have Apple, then you have LinkedIn, so you have that ClickView coming in rank third. And then you can see that over here, Apple is there, LinkedIn is there, and then ClickView was there ranked third in Forbes list. Now, talking about Gartner's Magic Quadrant for BI analytics, ClickView has ranked consecutively third or fourth time in the leaders quadrant, uh, consecutively every year, each and every year. Click the company with one of its product, ClickView, has ranked third. Sorry, consecutive year, and in the leaders quadrant. So the reason is, if you see the other companies or other products like Tableau, like Microsoft, we have a close competition with such companies. That's the reason Click as a company has come up with one of the new product called as ClickSense, in order to reach a better market, and wherever they were not able to talk to customers based on the requirement, we are able to talk to them now because of ClickSense. So now Click as a company is a product based company. We have two products now: one is ClickView and the other one is ClickSense. Innovations are remaking markets. So that's what I said just now. We are innovating. I mean, we worked on ClickView, which is the uh, which is the guided analytics, what that we say. ClickView we call it as a guided analytics, and now we have come up with the self-service BI, which is uh, ClickSense. So as Google is evolving, Apple is evolving, Salesforce is evolving, Click as a company is also evolving, and they all have the same uh, background and same layer, which is simplicity. So because of this simplicity, because of the use, simplicity of the use, ClickView is growing to the users who are not very technical. We are able to go and talk to them, and even they are very happy because uh, when it comes to systems, uh, we require a lot of IT help. Okay, but users who are power users who want to do a lot of their own analysis, who want to understand system much better without less of training, ClickView is a product wherein a user training within 1 day, user can start using ClickView as a product and start doing analysis. So ClickView uniqueness is better for user. We have something called as associative experience that I'm going to cover. Uh, Access to business data from anywhere, uh, speed of thought analysis, user-centric interactivity, and rapid time to development. Okay, this is a very good slide. Evolving BI landscape and its changing role. Okay, now here you see we have a lot of databases like SAP, SQL, ERP, various ERP systems, Oracle. Now, in order to bring data from our data sources to the user, okay, we go through a lot of chains of transformation by just a flat file data to something which is a user understanding. Okay, so we need to do some logic building, data abstraction, there are a lot of processes which happens. Okay, so now with ClickView, it has made a lot of things easier. Okay, we have dynamic dashboards, we have a three-tier architecture where data is being extracted into QED files. We have a data, uh, we can prepare our own data mart using QED files and then use those QED files to create business analytics and also provide it to the user. So it's a very wonderful way of presenting the data which is just lying underneath and user is unaware of it. Using ClickView, I can do all sort of things to make a data presentable to the user and uh, allow him to make decisions at the right time. Okay, now the platform that we use for ClickView is such that we have a data access layer, okay, where we have all the data sources. We have the application layer. I'm just covering this up because as a user you need to understand, as a developer you need to understand what my role are and how I'm going to use this product. Okay, so through ClickView, we can do data extraction, and then we can build our dashboards using ClickView scripting and charts that we have available in ClickView, and then present it to the user. Okay, so a normal time, let's say if a user over here, I want to just throw some light on one thing. If there's a customer who wants to see data which is present in Excel, let's say yearly data of his sales, and he wants to do some analysis like current year versus previous year comparison. He wants to see his achievement, what are my achievement, where are my products lying. So it is very easy. I mean, within 1 day we can show him by just pulling the Excel, creating some charts and analysis. We can just show to him. So the time, the ROI, the return on investment that a user gets it very fast. He gets to see what he is investing upon. So we have over here access layer where databases are present, the application layer where we have some various components of ClickView. It's a bit technical thing, like we have publisher, we have server, we have if you're sharing files, that is also there. And remember, ClickView is an enterprise level product. I mean, we can go clustering. It can handle huge databases, millions of databases it can handle in terms of the number of records that it is handling. The only thing which it needs is proper architecture. When I talk about proper architecture, we need proper CPU cores, we need the right amount of RAM for ClickView server to work. So that is all. I mean, whenever we implement a project, we require to understand what a customer want and how we're going to deliver that, and what will be the end result, how much time do we need to take. So there are n factors which contributes to delivering a proper ClickView implementation. Okay, uh, now simplifying analysis for everyone. Now ClickView comes, ClickView as an enterprise product comes with a beautiful thing called as in-memory associative technology. Now what is in-memory? I would like to make one simple uh, explanation over here, is that in-memory means uh, RAM. Very simple. In-memory means the RAM. So if you see, CPU utilizes most of the resources from the RAM, and the technical thing is whatever CPU needs, it brings it from the hard drive, stores it in the RAM, and then uses it from the RAM. Now what ClickView as a product does is, whenever an application is hosted on the server, its data which is available inside the RAM. When I say data, that means the analytical data. For example, if Vodafone is analyzing its sales for the year 2014. So what ClickView will do is, it will bring in all the data for of that application which is showing such kind of sales in the RAM. That's why we call it as in memory. So it is very fast. There is no lag. We can do analysis on the fly. Okay, and as you all know, the RAM currently is not as expensive as it was earlier. So we can buy a box and then host the application based on a requirement and start doing the analysis. Second thing is associativeness. So what is associativeness? Now ClickView has a simple querying way. It's called as associativeness. It's called as associative query language. We use AQL to build a data model, that which is I'm going to cover in a later slide. Okay. So associativeness is thought driven, natural, freeing, flexible. So this is all we are talking about a user. Okay, whenever a user analyzes data, so he analyzes the data the way he wants. Okay, in the traditional BI, we have cubes, we have measures which are already developed and stored. So their user is having limited amount of uh, a path and a track to analyze the data. But in ClickView, we give the user flexibility of analyzing data. That's why we call ClickView as guided analytics. We bring in all the dimensions, we bring in all the measures, we give user the flexibility of making the selections that he want to do, and based on that, he can come to a conclusion upon his analysis. Okay. And obviously it is very simple as compared to any other BI implementation. If we talk about a BO implementation, if we talk about any other tool, ClickView is simple. Okay, we have this is talking about business driven model where we have flexibility, we have a feature of social and collaborative feature is available, mobility, we have mobile app which is there for ClickView users. We have app-based model where we develop separate app for separate users, like sales user. We have sales application, we have finance application. We can go for a dashboard for the top management people. So anyone can access our ClickView application since it is hosted on the server. Okay. Talking about for developer end and user end as well, there is a very happening community, Click community called as Click community, where there are people from Click company, the experts are there, the developers from all over the world contribute to this community. Any questions, any failure you get from this product, or any kind of issue that you're going to get stuck in, you can get expert advice, you can get help from people who know things, who has been developing ClickView and who are into BI for past more than 10-20 years. I have been I know people who are having expertise in ClickView in implementing for more than 5 years, 6 years, and they contribute to this community by helping each other. So what makes ClickView unique? Okay, now talking about the Click as a company, they founded this company in 1993, and but since they moved the headquarters from Sweden to US, and they also went on stock exchange, I think last year, and uh, they are really doing good. I mean, they are one of the top, what we can say, contender and the competitor for Tableau. Okay, so business intelligence is defined by Gartner as an umbrella term that includes application infrastructure and tools and best practices that enable access to and analysis of information to improve and optimize decisions and performance. This is what really ClickView does. Okay, we have infrastructure within ClickView. We have best practices uh, that is defined by the Click company. What is the best practices that you need to follow while developing application, or we have n number of use cases studies that is available uh, when you're doing deployment. Okay, so for data migration, server migration, how do you do the server upload? There are a lot of things which Click itself has communicated to the developers, and it helps a lot. Following this definition, ClickView is a tool that enables access to information in order to analyze this information, which in turn improves and optimizes business decision and performance. So it is all about business decision making and performance, and which is what ClickView does. ClickView gets results. So we have the highest number of customer satisfaction. We have almost double return on investment, and the revenue in terms of the customer, they are increasing, because when they implement less amount of manpower in the building such systems, they get more number of ROI and more number of return on investment. Leader in customer loyalty, that means we have retained our customers over the years. Customer do come back to us and say that okay, I have done this, now I want to do this. I myself, I have been working on various projects, and uh, customer is really very happy, and they just go on doing development and making changes to the existing system according to the business need. So some of more the facts, like we have 44% deployed in 1 month, 77% deployed in 3 months, 50% reduction in analysis time. So ClickView is a new kind of tool, and we have various versions of tool. I mean, ClickView started with ClickView 8, and then 9, 10, 11. Currently, we are on 11 as 11 version and SR8. Okay, and it empowers business users to stop guessing and start knowing how to make faster and smarter decisions. So this is a wonderful slide wherein we talk about the traditional BI and the associativeness of the ClickView. Now here I can explain you. Now if you take a traditional BI wherein my measures are already developed, and I have I have pre-calculated values wherein I say I want a region. Let's talk about region India West, state Maharashtra, product I want to talk about Lenovo laptop, and who's the salesperson who's selling this product. So when we fix things up, okay, so it is very linear approach, predefined thinking. I cannot go and select some other state. Okay, I have to query back to my database. So there are a lot of I'm not saying, I'm saying the lot of things which we are not able to do over here. But in associativeness, I mean, the data is already available. All the regions for India, west, east, north, south, it is available. All the products are available in the system. All the states are available. All the salespersons are available. Now, if I want to analyze, if I'm a CEO of the company, I want to analyze which of my product is doing best. I can just select that product, top 5 products, and I will get an answer. All region. Okay, so I can go in any path and do the analysis. Okay, so it is not linear. My data is available to the user. He can think of his himself what questions you want to ask the system, and he will get it. Next slide. This is what ClickView looks like. Uh, we have something called as there are various objects which I will show you. Okay, we have charts. We can show map. We have the selection part is available. Okay, this is Jan month, Feb month is available. We can do periodic selections. We can do dimension wise selections. whatever we have selected is shown over here. So ClickView works in uh, different manner. I will just show you once. I'll do it practically. Okay. The core technology of ClickView is such that easily consolidate multiple data sources. That means I can connect to SAP, Salesforce, Oracle database, uh, SQL database, Excel file, XML file, flat files. I can connect to any data source and bring them all together in one system. That is the beauty of this product. Using ClickView data modeling, I can connect to any data sources, okay, and then merge them based on the business understanding. So any business, they don't store data in one single system. One department will store data in, let's say, Oracle database, the other will store in, let's say, Salesforce CRM, and but my business will work in one way. So I want to analyze the data by merging them all. That we can do in ClickView. Okay, loads millions of data, millions of rows. Now I have seen, let's say 200 million of records just loading in 1 hour, which is not possible in any system. Okay, 200 millions of records. This is so fast. Enable real-time associative search and analysis. Connectors to applications like SAP and Salesforce are available. So we have systems like SAP, Salesforce. In order to connect to them, we require a connector. So we have that available. Now this is called the secret sauce, which is data model. Data model is the best way of representing ClickView to a user. Okay, and in order to develop a best data model, we require best practices to implement. We should know the various functionalities of ClickView, how it works, uh, what are the, how to build a fact table, how to build a dimension table, how it needs to be linked, how to avoid various scenarios which will affect the hamper data modeling. So there are a lot of things, a number of things, and there are various features within ClickView, like use of optimized load, use of exist conditions, use of incremental load, use of interval match, functions like interval. So there are very good functions which is available within ClickView scripting data model, which actually helps to build a better data model. So this mission of ClickView is simplifying analysis for everyone. Uh, Everyone else, ClickView new rules, faster implementation, easy to use, powerful, flexible, integrated, low cost, and risk free. So these are all what ClickView as a tool is doing. ClickView values proposition: 1/4 the time, half the cost, and twice the value. So we implement the application or the environment at 1/4 the time. The cost is half of the compared to another BI project, and the return is twice. This is some more like ClickView and traditional BI. I have already spoke about that. ClickView is not really applicable to various things. Right now, there are various firms. If you see companies, they have different modules. Like we have sales, we have finance, we have expense management. Then asset management is there, IT is there, marketing is there. So every domain has their own KPIs. Every domain has their own analysis. ClickView can cater to all of them. Too much of description, I'm not going to do over here. Okay, so we have the architecture where we have client and customer data, sales performance data, various other data. Okay, and within ClickView we can give analysis like sales and distribution analysis, marketing analysis. Executive manager can see it. So we are showing that we face typical challenges. Like every domain has a different kind of challenges to implement certain level of analysis. Like 80/20 analysis is there, then top 5 analysis is there, then we have product wise analysis is there. There are n number of analysis which we have, and in order to implement that, we have a way of implementing such a scenarios in ClickView. Now coming to training plan, ClickView, we are going to cover ClickView developer, where we are going to focus on how to build a data model, how to use scripting fundamentals, what are the best practices, how to load data from various data sources, and then how to connect to databases, how to build a proper data model, like fact table, dimension table, then how to identify the transaction table, how to analyze the data. All those things will be covered in developer. Designer, we're going to cover building dashboards using various charts, using of set analysis, use of YTD functions, what all kind of KPIs that we're going to cover, that we will cover in designer. And then server administration part will be hosting on the server, uh, building jobs, running the task, all such kind of things, installation of the server, and daily task. So this is a brief introduction about ClickView as a product and the training plan that we have. We can share a much detailed training plan wherein we go talk about all topics that we can cover, so that I can share later.